Good morning. So today is Saturday and I just got ready. I just did my hair. I didn't do my makeup because I don't feel like it. I'm gonna try to like let my skin breathe because I've been breaking out a lot. So I'm just gonna let my skin breathe for today. And it's about 8:30 and I just got ready really quick. I showered and all of that, and I'm gonna go and do some hair. So I'm gonna vlog today, see where the day takes us. I'm not sure what I'm doing this afternoon, but in the morning I'm doing some hair. So I thought I would vlog it, and yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so a change of plans. The girl that I was gonna do her hair, she canceled because she didn't have a babysitter. That's fine. But so I ended up just going to Starbucks really quick, and then I just came right back home. So I'm just gonna vlog doing things around the house. I need to clean up a little bit, just kind of get things done around the house. So I am going to just bring you guys along for the day. And yeah, so I'm just gonna make the bed now, and I haven't had breakfast yet, but I'm kind of not hungry, so I might eat something a little later. But yeah, I'm just gonna make the bed and probably do some laundry and clean up downstairs. So it'll be a little bit of a productive morning. So I just finished a little while ago cleaning and kind of organizing our bedroom, and it's been a little while since I last vlogged, but we hung out and Amara had like her little playtime, and we had Moana on the TV for her, and then she was getting cranky, so I put her down for her nap. She's sleeping there. It's about 11:25. So while she naps, actually Derek just left too. He went to his dad's house for a little bit. So while she naps, I'm gonna go out and clean my car and just like clean it out, the inside, because it's a big mess. So that is the plan for right now. Once she wakes up, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go out. I think we're gonna go shopping with my little sister. And yeah, so that is the plan for the next, what, like hour or so. We'll see if she sleeps long enough. She's been like not sleeping as much during the day. I don't know if it's like a year like regression. I don't know if it's because she's teething so bad. Like she's getting like her side teeth back here, which are bigger than like the front ones. So she's not had a good time, and I think she even had a little bit of a cold. So it's a lot. But she's finally napping. During the weekend, she usually naps like 2 or 3 hours. During the week at my mom's house, she does not like to nap. She naps for like an hour at the most. So I'm gonna go in and clean my car, and yeah, let's go. So I just got everyone ready. I got myself ready while the baby napped a little bit. I did a lot of cleaning. I cleaned the car. I kind of cleaned upstairs a little bit. She is in the car seat and we're ready. She had her lunch. And now we're gonna go out. We're gonna go shopping for a little bit, and then we're gonna hang out with Derek and his dad later on this afternoon. So that'll be fun. I'll vlog a little bit, but she's ready to go. Kaya's over there sad because we're leaving. I'm just gonna put her leftover lunch away, or yeah. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Good morning. So I have come to realize that I literally suck at vlogging. I was supposed to vlog all day yesterday, and I vlogged in the morning, and then once I left the house I totally forgot to take my camera out and vlog. So we just went to the mall. We went to DSW. Lydia bought some shoes, which is little sister for homecoming, which is this Saturday that's coming up. So and then after that we just went to Derek's dad's house, so we ate dinner there and all that. So I just totally forgot to take my camera out and vlog, but I wanted to vlog today. I just kind of combine these 2 days and make them into one video. So it is 11:13 right now, and I just changed from my pajamas because I woke up at like, I think it was like 8:30 or 9, and kind of hung out, cuddled with the baby. Derek gave the baby breakfast, and then I made breakfast for myself, and then I cleaned the kitchen. And now I'm gonna go work in my hoarding room. So I thought I would vlog a little bit today, get some stuff done around the house. I just made the bed, and yeah, I have my headphones so I could just jam out and listen to some music. And I have my video compressing right now for tomorrow, for Monday, which I'm doing a my fall makeup routine. It's super quick and easy, and I'll put it up here so you guys can watch that, and I'll link it below too if you want to see how I do my makeup every day. It's so easy and quick. But anyway, yeah, so I wanted to vlog a little bit today, and the baby is down for her nap, so I have her monitor on, and yeah, I'm just gonna clean up and do some organizing because my hoarding room needs to be cleaned. So I will vlog a little bit later.
nation should commit itself to achieving the goal before this decade is out of landing a man on the moon.